The in membership operator checks if a given value is part of a collection. Let us see an example with range function. So num in range of 3, 6 checks if 4 is part of the collection 3 or 4 or 5. So this should return true. Now let us see another example. We are going to compare the variable pet with bat or cat or dog. So using equality comparison and or boolean operator, you can construct such a conditional expression. Instead of doing this, you can use the membership operator for a more readable and terse expression. So pet in a collection of values. If you use the membership operator on strings, it will do a substring comparison. So for example, if you check an is part of the string mango, it will return true. If you check for at, it will return false. To invert the membership test, you can use the not in operator. So parrot is not part of this collection, so it returns false. To invert the condition, you can either use not of the entire expression, or you can use a more readable not in. Hope you enjoyed this tip.